on your mandate. Bola.
The APC, the governor of Federation, himself a senator, Senator Akuma, Patricia Ete, former deputy speakers. This is your National Assembly. The senators and members have asked me to congratulate you on your first anniversary since your swearing in office. Congratulations, sir. Before you came, myself and my brother, Tajuddin Abbas, explained the purpose of this visit. That this is what we call in Nollywood, Waka Pass. You intend to celebrate Democracy Day, which is June 12th. But out of honor and respect for the National Assembly, you said you must pass through the National Assembly on your first anniversary in office. Of all the significant things you have done, I think one of the most profound is to take us back to our genealogy, the genealogy of our birth. That though we may belong to different tribes, though we may have different tongues, in brotherhood we all stand. Henceforth, we will not refer to ourselves as just mere compatriots. We will refer to ourselves as brothers. And as we go forth in battle, whether on the field of sports, in the field of politics, in economic endeavors, we must hail Nigeria. And so we are all saying today, Mr. President, Nigeria, we hail thee. There is no better place to commence this revolution of going back to our genealogy than the National Assembly, made of very patriotic, not just representatives, but elected representatives of the people of Nigeria. The voice of the National Assembly is the voice of Nigeria. So we welcome you. On that note, sir, we will allow you to greet your people because of your crowded schedule today, and we look forward to celebrating Democracy Day on June 12th with you. You just greet us. You may say what, you may wave, you may stand up and take a bow, because this is the chambers. However you do it, and thereafter, we will allow you to take your exit while we continue with our proceedings. Welcome, Mr. President.
After first start, I come to say thank you very much for building up to this stage, building the institution, building the country. You are the first and foremost leaders that speak for our people. And you have been in the forefront of this struggle. Mr. President, without interruption, the members are asking to please sit while they are speaking to us. you very much. This institution, the hallowed chamber, represents our consciousness for freedom and sense of belonging. You rang out the latest national anthem. Nigeria will hail thee. See, this is our diversity, representing all characters and how we blend together to be brothers and sisters. Without this house, probably I may not find a path to here. And that is why I'm giving that respect this morning to you, to please continue to collaborate, work together, build our country. We have no other choice. It is our nation. No one, no age, no other institution or personality will help us except we do it ourselves. No amount of aid that may be coming from foreign countries or any other nation, they take care of themselves first. Let us work together, as we are doing, to build our nation. Not only for us, but for generations yet unborn. Charting a new path. The question of program for development. I submitted the last budget to you. You expeditiously passed it. We are walking the talk. I will soon bring year 2024 appropriation bill. That is just for your information. But we must nourish this democracy, build this nation, so that the future of our great grandchildren will be sure of prosperity, development, and progress. Thank you very much.
We will be.
Very supportive of the party and now the president. Yeah, between you and us here. Here is part of your tight schedules. The Assembly will always be supportive of your noble objectives. Bringing back our national anthem, the one that we grew up with. I'm talking about those of us who are above 50. And for the young ones, I'm sure by the time you sit down, read it line by line, word by word, you will see why it is very, very important for Nigeria to revisit its former national anthem. Because it inspires hope. It inspires hope. If we can follow to its logical conclusion, Nigeria will be a much greater nation. So thank you, Your Excellency, for coming. We will be looking forward to being with you on June 12th to commemorate 25 years of democracy in Nigeria. Thank you so much, sir. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Mr. President, question. The Speaker has just mentioned something that those who are below 50 years may not know much about the old national anthem. So can I put the question? Those in support that the band should lead us to sing the new national anthem adopted by both chambers of the House of Representatives and the Senate, can I hear you? Say aye. Aye. Those against, that is those who are saying we should use our voices. Can you say nay? Okay. As Democrats, the ayes have it. So may we now rise for the national anthem.